Hi everyone, Kimberly Berg, clinical exercise physiologist in the Rebel Fit Club, the training center for people with Parkinson's. Today I'm going to be talking to you about your balance. You need to work your balance every day and throughout the day. And I love sprinkling little opportunities to challenge your balance every single day. So a lot of things affect our balance, which could be our feet and how our body reads the ground. It could be our posture and our core strength, which is why we have posture school, both in gym and virtual. And I will include the link to that below in the comments. Okay, so also the other things that affect it could be our eyes. Now we know we have tracking problems sometimes or double vision with Parkinson's. So you need to work on your eyes, your neck and your head, how it turns, and also your ears or your vestibular system. So let's get started. This one is a great one because you have the safety of the wall, but I'm taking a ball here that's a little underinflated, and that way it challenges our balance, but we have something to hang on to. So all you'll need is a ball. Okay, so you're gonna take this ball and put it against the wall and put your hip right into it. So you're standing nice and tall, but yet you have the wall right here. The leg that's closest to the wall, you're gonna just point your toe and tap so you have just barely a contact with the ground. Now you could take your hand away from the wall or you can still hang on. Now because this ball is squishy, it's gonna challenge your balance because you can still roll around. So it's not like you're really leaning, but you are pushing into the wall. Now you're gonna feel this in your glutes on the opposite side, which is also helpful with Parkinson's, is to make sure you have really good hip strength. So we're gonna push into that ball. Now, if you have pretty good balance or you wanna challenge it a little bit more, you can bring that foot up. So now I have 2 points of contact right here. Now, if I want to challenge it further, I could take my hand away and just really use this side of my hips to push into that wall. Now, what's great about this is you can also challenge your balance by doing some head turns. Or you could take your hand and follow your hand with your eyes and your head, or just your eyes. You could do so much. You could pick up a hand weight and get your body in a really good position and do like a bicep curl. Maybe go up fast, down slow, so you're getting a little tricep in there also. Now, I really feel my hip working here, so this is a great one. Remember, you always have that ability to put that foot down, or maybe you're gonna start out by just having both feet on there and just pushing and working this side. So, really easy to do. It does challenge you, but all it takes is a little bit of a squishy ball. So that is my quick hit for today. If you like this video, give me a like and subscribe to these videos on YouTube where you could get them complimentary every week. You can also go to my website, rebelfitclub.com, and check out the blog section. These complimentary videos live in a section on my website. There's a search bar so you can look up anything you're interested. Maybe you're interested in more balance exercises. I'll include a couple of links to some of the other ones that I have. You can also contact me directly, Kimberly at rebelfitclub.com. I'm happy to get back to you and tell you how our in-gym programming, whether it's a signature boxing boot camp, yoga, tai chi, stretch, drumming, dance, whatever you're looking for, I bet we have it. They will help you, and it's also included in our very lively virtual program that comes to you every day, different levels. So if you are in a chair or you have a walker, there's classes for you. Or maybe you're really high functioning and you want to be able to get up and down off the ground and do jump rope, there's classes like that. You can also access our recorded library just in case you can't get those live classes. So you just go into the library, any time zone, you can work out in the middle of the night, you could take us camping. contact me, Kimberly at rebelfitclub.com, and I will talk to you about your specific Parkinson's symptoms so that you can live a better life. You owe it to your family and you owe it to yourself. So never lose hope, and as always, go forth and conquer.